Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. Today is the 1st of June. Hope you all have a great upcoming month. Now let's look at what is buzzing. In Market Buzz under Universe, today we'll be selecting indices, and the indice we'll be talking about is NASDAQ. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 43 articles towards it. Going into the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling negative towards it. And the subjectivity, it is currently loading. If it's closer to 0, that means they're being very rational, and vice versa. So we can see the objectivity is 38%, which means they're pretty objective, pretty rational. Going into the trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may rise by 5.21%. Inside the chart, we can see they're saying short term, as long as 11399.10 is support, we'll look for 12057. Again, this is a daily chart. We can see the current price is above the 20 and 50 days moving average, and also on top of the Bollinger Band. Just briefly looking at the trend, we can see it's very obvious uptrend. Going down to the comment section, they're saying the RSI is above 50, the MACD is positive, and below its signal line. The index could retrace in the short term. And below is a series of support and resistance level. Hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to press the like button, and also don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook and YouTube. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading day. Bye.